In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a realistic shadow in Adobe Photoshop. This technique can really elevate your image editing skills by giving your compositions that extra touch of authenticity and depth. So, let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open up Adobe Photoshop. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step clearly. Make sure your Photoshop is up to date to access all the necessary features smoothly. Now with Photoshop open, go ahead and add the image you want to work with. This could be any object or subject that you want the shadow to be cast from. Simply drag and drop your image into the Photoshop canvas or use the File menu to import it. Having a clear and high-resolution image can aid significantly in achieving a more realistic shadow, so always keep that in mind. Once your image is in place, select the brush tool from the toolbar on the left. The brush tool is a versatile tool that allows you to paint a shadow on the canvas. Make sure to choose a soft-edged brush with an appropriate size for this task. Adjust the opacity settings, keeping it between 20% to 50%, so the shadow isn't too harsh and blends naturally with the image. Feel free to test how it looks on the edges before settling on those settings. After setting your brush, decide the direction from which light is coming. This will help you visualize where the shadow should fall. Begin painting the shadow on a new layer beneath your image's layer, ensuring that it aligns correctly with your subject. This way you can easily manipulate the shadow without affecting the image itself. Take your time to slowly build the shadow, gradually increasing its depth where necessary. Once you're satisfied with the initial shape of the shadow, it's time to adjust it for a more precise fit. Use the free transform tool by pressing Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on a Mac. This feature lets you reshape, reposition, and skew the shadow, making it align more naturally with the surface it's projected onto. Carefully twist and pull at the points until you're happy with how it looks against the background and subject of your image. Keep in mind that observing real-life shadows helps to make the adjustments more accurate and realistic. And there you have it, a realistic shadow added to your image in Adobe Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different angles and light directions to see how they affect the shadow's appearance. With time, you'll master this technique and significantly enhance the realism of your edited images. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!